Can you read this date? February 14, 2005. Let's practice ordinal numbers. What are these? Hey, I'm Teacher Allie. So you're familiar with cardinal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. We use ordinal numbers to show the place or position of something. Max Verstappen won first place. The administration department is on the 3rd floor. It is their 30th wedding anniversary. He is in 12th grade. Fluffy won second in the competition. Okay, ordinal numbers are also used for dates. Can you read this date? February 14, 2005. February 14th, 2005. 14th. Okay, repeat after me. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st. Do you see the pattern? Yeah. Thanks. If you want to see more content like this, go to my channel.